Hello everyone and welcome back to oneHOWTO. Today we're learning some easy merengue steps that anyone can master. So let's dive right in. Like we've shown before, start in closed position, okay? Notice the leader's hand goes on the follower's back while holding hand. Now let's start with the basic march step to the side. Next comes the apartada or open break, where you'll separate from your partner while keeping those hands joined and then come back together. So watch how it goes. Now it's time to move to the shadow position, okay? That's where the leader guides their partner behind them. Okay, so keep holding hands and place your free arm on their shoulder. We'll do the basic step just like we covered in our leading and following videos. So here we go. For this next pattern, make sure you keep that frame nice and strong. Okay, now I'm doing the vuelta or the turn, moving backward, then forward as I follow the lead. So this gives us that classy merengue give and take. Okay, so after that, we'll add in the cruzada or crossover we showed you before. Okay, alright, so let's put it all together. Okay, and there you have it, friends. I hope you enjoyed learning these steps, and remember that here on oneHOWTO we will continue exploring merengue patterns from the basics right up to more advanced combinations. Okay, so see you next time.